In class, as we are studying metal and metallurgy, and we are studying what? Concentration of ore. This method is froth flotation. This is impurities, grind, ore, bubbles, air, froth, and this is concentrated ore. Okay, this method is used to separate sulfide ores such as iron pyrite, ZNS, PBS. Okay, in this method, first we take the finely grinded ores inside the big pot or big flask. Okay, in this flask we take water, pine or few drops of pine or eucalyptus oil, and we flow a compressed air from here. As air come in the contact of water and pine oil, it cause frothing. The froth will form here. Huge amount of froth will form here. What happened? A layer of pine oil is formed over a surface will stick with the sulfide ore because they are lighter in weight. So the sulfide ore will come with the froth, and the residue means impurities will remain in the downside of that particular flask. In Chhattisgarh, we are using iron ores, as you know, BSP and all it. So this method is used for the concentration of ore. This method is known as froth flotation. Okay, now we'll come in the next one. So guys, the next portion is converting the metal sulfide or carbonate in oxides. Okay, you are converting the metal into which sulfide or carbonate metal is converting into the oxide metal. See, this is zinc sulfide. When it get react with oxygen, it forms zinc oxide and sulfur dioxide. But what is happening, just see. The concentrated sulfide ore, okay, what type of ore? Concentrated sulfide ore will hit it little below the melting point, just little below the melting point in presence of air. Presence of air is very, very essential. The process is known as roasting. In the process of roasting, the impurities of ore will vaporized and the metal will reduce very easily. This process is known as roasting. When the metal is heated in presence of air and below melting point, the process is known as roasting. And in this process, the impurities vaporized. That is why the metal reduced very easily. Same thing is happening in case of carbonate also, but just little different. What difference is there? Just see. This is zinc carbonate heated and form zinc oxide and CO2. Only one thing will be changed, that is absence of air. So the concentrated carbonate is heated in presence of or in what below the melting point and is in absence of air, है ना? Below the melting point and in absence of air, and it forms zinc oxide. This zinc oxide is converted by zinc carbonate. That process is known as calcination. This is roasting and that is calcination. So this two property of what? Converting the metal from sulfide to oxide. Okay.